Well, go on. So, I want to hop on here and give you a few, or let's say a couple fitness tips that help me in my journey to get in better shape. One, the most important one, especially for me, is eat healthier. Stop eating all this processed food, all this junk food, all these snacks. I was one whenever I worked out at the gym. After that, I want to eat some fried chicken, get pizza, fries, all of that junk stuff because it tastes great. And I assumed, hey, I worked out, so it balanced out. Nope, I was wrong. In your house, stop having so much snacks there, all the cookies, all those chips. Not good for you. Cut that out. All that processed junk is not good for you. Two, find a routine that works for you. Like, be consistent with it 3 times a week, 4 times a week. Be active, working out, yada, yada, yada. If you're one who thinks the gym is boring, find an activity what you enjoy, like pickleball, soccer, basketball, something to keep you active and have a lot of cardio so you're actually working out while having fun. And 3, rest. Rest is very important. I don't like to sleep. Before I used to sleep 3-4 times a night. Now I'm consistently sleeping like 7-8 hours. And that's better, especially if you're working out, your body needs to recover. All right, that's it for now. I'm gonna share some more tips later on. Have a great day.